It's very difficult to explain. I don't remember another game like this one. To be involved as a player or why? Because normally when you score in the last minute, you get through. You don't expect to concede after 1 or 2 minutes. And then if you miss your first 2 penalties, you don't expect to win the game either. So how we done it? I think we need to ask Vito Manone. He's the only person who can answer that because he's been getting better and better, and today was the difference probably between the two teams. It was difficult to pick them up for the penalties, but they looked very confident. They would all say, sorry Gaffa, sorry Gaffa, sorry Gaffa. I don't know how many, 3, no? But I think it's a great night for a group of players and a group of fans that they've been having a very difficult season. Look, I'm going to tell you a little secret. When Vito got into the dressing room, the whole squad and the staff started singing his name. And there is no better feeling for a football player to get the recognition of his teammates and the staff. And I tell you, he looked half, kind of happy and half embarrassed because it was a special night for him. So we need to thank him very much today.